Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.9, Problem 25. This is Section 1.9, Problem 25. It says use the correct order of operations to solve the following problem. And we have 24 minus, in parentheses, 8 divided by 4 times 2 plus 2 to the third. So now there are a lot of operations in this problem. One of the things I notice are the parentheses. So the rule is you have to do work in parentheses first. But in the parentheses, you still have a lot of choices. There's a divide, a multiply, an add, and an exponent. Well, the exponent needs to be done first. So that's the first thing we need to take care of. So for now, the 24 in front can just come down. The minus will come down. The 8 divide by 4 times 2 plus, all that will just stay the way it is. But the 2 to the third, that'll become an 8. Right? 2 to the third power is 8. 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2. 3 2's multiplied together. So 2 times 2 is 4. Times the third 2 is 8. So that 2 to the third gets changed into an 8. That's the first thing we do. So now there's still work in parentheses. We have to finish the work in parentheses before we can deal with the 24 out front. So in the parentheses, we still have a divide, we have a multiply, and we have an add. Well, the multiply and the divide have an equal importance, and you have to do whichever one first that's written first. The divide is written first as you read through it from left to right, so you need to deal with the divide first. So again, for now, the 24 will just come down and not do anything. Minus, I'll still have my parentheses, but the 8 divided by 4 will become a 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. The other 2 next to it will come down, and that's multiplied, and then I have plus 8 on the end. So I did the division. Now I still have work in the parentheses, but inside the parentheses I have a multiply and an add, and the multiply has to always be done before an add. So once again, the 24 will just get dragged along and not get involved yet. Minus, I'll have my parentheses. Now 2 times 2 is 4, and then plus the 8 will just come straight down. Now I only have one last thing to do to finish the parentheses, which is 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. So the next line, once again, the 24 just stays where it is, minus, and now I'm done with the parentheses, 4 plus 8 is 12. So I have 24 minus 12, which is simply 12.